Hello everyone and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today we're making one of the best Ukrainian dishes, kartoplaniki, or potatoes with bacon if you wish. It's simpler to explain what it is. Choose medium-sized potatoes, wash them and boil them for about 25 to 30 minutes until knife soft ready. While potatoes are boiling, finely chop onion and bacon. Warm up big frying pan and fry your bacon and onion until crispy. I love mine extra crispy. After potatoes are ready, drain hot water, rinse your potatoes with a cold water and remove the skin. It's very easy to do with a knife and fork. So we peeled our potatoes and we start mashing them. I do it old-fashioned way. The potatoes must be warm, otherwise it's not gonna be tasty. You keep mashing them until they're fully mashed. Mashing them until fully mashed. Nice English. Don't leave any lumps, it's disgusting if you have a unmashed lump of potato in your patty. So now we're adding our fried onion and bacon. Yeah, it's not too healthy, but Ukrainian cuisine generally not too healthy, but it's incredibly good. We're adding our flour. And we keep mixing. I almost forgot one egg. Honestly, the best way to do it is with your hands, like you do with your dough. We actually made the dough, the potato dough. Okay, now it's ready. It's a little bit sticky, but this is the way it's supposed to be. The fastest way to make them, it's not to make them one by one and fry, because you see your hands are dirty and you don't want to wash them all the time. What I usually do, I make a circles, then I form kind of patty, or you just can make a circle and squeeze it, up to you. So I usually finish all of them on a board and then I fry them, so that this way my hands are clean and it goes very, very fast. Okay, I finished. They're ready. They look incredibly good already. Now what we do, we fry them. We're gonna use the same frying pan that we fried our onions and bacon. So no extra dirty dishes, which is a good part on my side. Let's do it. Okay guys, they're ready and I have a bad news for you. We're supposed to eat it with sour cream. Yes, not enough there's bacon. The best way to eat it is with the sour cream. I warn you guys, the Ukrainian food is not the healthiest one. So let's try it. Oh my god. I hope you enjoyed my video. And I hope I see you next time. Press this bell, press the subscribe button, press this thumbs up, and see you next time.